TikTok profile without you knowing the person's name, but having the person picture or the person's profile pic or something. Or if you have an image that you want to, someone's image, and you want to know the person's TikTok account, then this video is here for you. So to get someone TikTok account without you having the person's information or details, this is what you have to do. First of all, you have to go to your menu. Then what you have to do is to just scroll down and try to search for Google Play Store. So, like when you find the Google Play Store, what you have to do is to tap it. This is Google Play Store. Just tap on it. So when you tap on it, you have to search for this app, Google Lens. So when you search for this app, it's going to appear like this after. So when you open, um, then you search for Google Lens. As you can see over here, this is Google Lens. So after searching for it, this is the results that you're going to get. Then you have to tap on it like this. Then after that, you install it. So after installing, you tap on open over here to open it. If you already have it, you're going to see it like this, or you can see this is the Google Lens over here. This is microphone and this is search bar. So if you want to use it, what you have to do is to tap on the Google Lens to search for the person's TikTok profile. So let's tap on it, Google Lens, to tap over here. Then after that, you can search with your camera. So you can just take a picture of the person without the person knowing. Then you search to get the person's profile pic, the person TikTok account. So if you can't, you can't, if you don't have the person over here but you have the image on your device, what you have to do is just let it be on search over here. Don't move it to translate, or don't even move it to homework. So just let it be on the search. Then after that, you just try to search for the image that you want to search for the TikTok account. So I'm going to use this image, so let's tap on it. So as you can see, this is it. So what you have to do is to just, so this is a TikTok account, so you have to tap on it. When you finally see, looking for it. So as you can see, this is it. She posted this video on TikTok with this image around 28 days ago, and this is the size of the image, and this is her TikTok profile. So to get this, what you have to do is to tap on it, and it's going to send you to TikTok. So let me lower the volume without getting copyright. I took a screenshot rather. So guys, that's it. So when you tap on it, it's going to send you to TikTok, and you are going to wait for some while. As you can see it, so let's wait. Okay, so boom. Oh, why what's happening? Boom, we just got this account without knowing the username. We didn't know this username, we didn't know any information about her, but we have gotten her account. Do you get me? With just her image. Do you get me? Yeah. So with this skill, I just have her image and I just use it. It's very simple. What you have to do is to just try with